Hello and welcome to the background video, the second of 4 video presentations for the Steeles Avenue MCEA study. In this video, we will review the findings from the first PIC. The first PIC was held on November 21st, 2019 to present information and obtain public feedback on existing conditions, including land use, cultural heritage, natural environment, transportation and drainage conditions, transportation problems and opportunities, as well as the need for improvements on Steeles Avenue, the preferred planning solution to widen Steeles Avenue from Tremaine Road to Industrial Drive, and design components, which included the proposed typical road cross-section and alternative corridor concepts. Please visit the Steeles Avenue Corridor Study webpage on halton.ca to review the materials presented at the first PIC. We are considering several different design components for the future Steeles Avenue. The first component is the typical road cross-section, or the arrangement of roadway elements including vehicle travel lanes, boulevards, and active transportation facilities such as sidewalks, multi-use paths, and bike lanes. The second component is the corridor for the future Steeles Avenue, where we considered options for where the roadway may be located. These two aspects were presented at the first PIC for public feedback and are briefly summarized in the following slides. We will discuss the other design components later in the presentation. The typical road cross-section for the future Steeles Avenue is proposed as a 4-lane roadway consisting of 3.5 meter vehicle travel lanes, 1.8 meter on-road bike lanes, and 3 meter multi-use paths on both sides of the road that will allow for walking, cycling, and use of mobility devices. A 3 meter boulevard area is also provided on both sides of the road. The design will tie into the recently constructed 4-lane Steeles Avenue east of our study area. The second decision was confirming a road corridor for the future Steeles Avenue. We considered options to locate the future Steeles Avenue to the north, to the south, or along the existing corridor. Based on the evaluation, the south corridor concept was selected as the preferred option. We heard from many local residents on the information presented at the first PIC. There was a high level of support for locating the future Steeles Avenue to the south of the current corridor, since this will be located away from the neighborhood of Peru. There was also support for the proposed grade separation at the CP rail line. There were questions about specific property impacts, other aspects of local development, timing of the Tremaine Road extension, and potential traffic impacts through the neighborhood of Peru, as well as improvement timing. With general public support of the key recommendations presented at the first PIC, the project team moved forward with further technical and design work.